Well, hello YouTube, it's Matthew Williams, just bringing you a quick message to say that this morning I was given an amazing offer via email. It was an amazing offer from Adobe, nonetheless. Would I like to come to their seminar conference in London? I could get 15% off the ticket price, which would be a £200 saving off the ticket price. Calculator out. 100% divided by 15 is a 6.666666 price reduction. Funny that, isn't it? 66666 price reduction, 15%. But £200 times by 6.6666 as a factor gives you £1,300. £1,300. I repeat to you, £1,300 for a 2-day conference seminar. 1,300. Adobe are cunts. Adobe are just cunts. This company makes billions of pounds. Billions. Billions. Whilst fucking its customers round, increasing its prices, even though it makes billions of pounds, increasing its prices of all its products recently. Yeah. Charges double the amount for some reason in Australia for its products, just because they don't like Australians. So fuck you, Australia. We'll charge you double. Yeah. As like a little experiment to see if they'll wear it. Yeah. So this company that provides overpriced software that most people pirate, yeah, because they think it's a fucking rip-off, and yeah, they think that their conference should be a profit-making thing. It should make a profit, their conference, and they shouldn't dip into their pockets to give a little back to the customers that have kind of made it possible for them, you know, over the last couple of years, and make it a reasonable price so that, you know, you get a broad spectrum of people from the big users down to the little guy. No. If you're not rich, you're not coming in. Fuck you. We're Adobe. Fuck off. What a bunch of cunts. Fuck Adobe. Fuck Adobe. And happy fucking thepiratebay.org.